Today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate the wheels and make them all spin using motion links. So you can see I have one here. So let's jump over to this one. You can see that I have all my joints visible. So let's get started. First thing I want to do is I want to point out that this is a revolute joint, the one with a little circle and it goes down into a flag. You can see a couple of them here. I have some on the front. Those are your revolute joints, and that's what we're going to be playing with today. So the first thing is I want to come down to my revolute joint, make sure I'm grabbing the one on the wheel. And I'm going to click on it. I'm going to make sure that I have that set at 0 degrees, right? So I can go in there and I can set it at whatever I want, or I want to set it at 0 degrees. I can do the same thing for the back, but I don't necessarily have to. So the next thing I want to do is we're going to do our motion links. We're going to go up to Assemble. We're going to drop down to Motion Link. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that revolute joint on the front wheel. I'm going to click on the revolute joint on the back wheel. And you can see that it's spinning both together. Notice that it goes forward. Next, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to spin this around. Zoom in a little bit. I'm going to click on that revolute joint in the front, and I'll make sure that's set at 0 degrees, which it is. So we'll make sure it's set at 0. And then I'm going to do the same thing. We're going to go up to Assemble, Motion Link. I'm going to click on the revolute joint on the very front wheel and the revolute joint on the back wheel. And I can see now, notice this is going in reverse. That's fine. Don't worry about it. Now I'm going to hit OK. The fact that this one's going to go in reverse, this is where we're going to do one more motion link, but we're going to grab the one going in reverse first to match it to the second one. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back up to Assemble. I'm going to add a third motion link. I'm going to grab the one that's going in reverse. So I'm going to grab the front one here. And we'll spin this around. And make sure I grab the front one right there. And as you can see, boom, if it's not going in the right direction, like this one's still going in reverse, let's hit the reverse button. Now you can see that I have them all going forward. And that is it to make your wheels rotate using motion links.